In this video, huge emergency for the Quant price right now, because in the daily time frame it looks like to me that Quant may be starting a trend reversal that would take us to the downside. Because if you take a closer look right here in the daily time frame, based on this trend line that I've drawn, basically for the past couple of days, Quant was in a bullish uptrend right here. Because if you take a closer look at the price, we have been forming higher lows right here, and thus forming this bullish uptrend or trend line right here. However, just recently, if you take a look at the 4-hourly time frame, Quant broke to the downside of the trend line. And also, in my previous video, a couple of my videos ago, we have spotted this head and shoulders pattern as well. And I said a break of the trend line would indicate that we are going to be starting a trend reversal. And the target of this head and shoulders pattern is actually, if you take it to the point of breakdown, the target is a dump to $106 right here, located exactly within this next level of support, or this next level of demand. So right now I'm thinking that basically, to summarize it, I believe that Quant may be starting a trend reversal, and I think it is safe to assume that Quant may be forming lower prices in the near future, unless I get proven otherwise and Quant starts to have a quick recovery right here. Then I'll update you guys and I'll change my view as well. But if I don't see a quick recovery right here, then I guess it is again safe to assume that we may be expecting lower prices in the near future for the Quant price, specifically to my target of $106, located exactly within this next level of demand or support right here, $106. That's basically the new update. Sorry, I can't stay bullish because the new data is definitely telling us that we are clearly right now, I believe, in a trend reversal that will bring us to the downside. Because look, this looks very corrective right here. When we broke to the upside of this resistance right here, I actually warned about this being a potential fake out. And the signal, if we do break this support right here, that's a signal that this could be a massive fake out. And from there on, we dumped to the downside and we had this rally to the upside. Found support exactly at this level right here at $114. We had this nice pump to the upside, but I said this looks corrective. It looks like a retest before continuing to the downside, a retest of resistance before continuing to the downside. And indeed, it was actually correct. We had a retest, dump to the downside, and right now I think Quant is actually playing out the exact same scenario right here, which is we broke the trend line, dumped below the trend line, and now we are, I believe, having a retest of the trend line right here before actually continuing to the downside, forming lower lows. So basically that's what I'm expecting in the future, unless Quant again makes a quick recovery right here. But I believe that is extremely unlikely, but we're gonna see what's gonna happen in the coming days. Now let us move to the weekly time frame, because again I also mentioned this bearish case in the weekly. So if you guys have been following the channel, I've been stating this a lot of times that it looks like Quant may be forming this head and shoulders pattern as well in the weekly time frame. And once we do break the neckline at $91, then that's giving us a target that we may be dumping to $50 right here. Yes, exactly, located at the next level of support as well right here. So to cancel the case of this bearish scenario, I want to see Quant have an immediate break of this level right here, located at $132. Yes, Quant must immediately break to the upside to cancel that bearish scenario, and instead continue the move to the upside and stick to my primary scenario of this wave 3 to the upside playing out. And by the way, the wave 3 is targeted at $380 or around the $360 level right here for the wave 3. But again, if the head and shoulders pattern plays out and we break the neckline at $91, then this entire 5-wave move to the upside is gonna get, unfortunately, invalidated. So I'll continue updating you guys about the weekly, but for now let us focus on the 4-hourly time frame, because yeah, I'll closely observe and monitor the price, because right now it looks like we are having a retest of the trend line before actually continuing to the downside. So stay cautious right now, because again, it looks like Quant is struggling to maintain the bullish momentum right here, and instead we broke the trend line. So be careful, and to stay up to date with my signals, join my Discord server. The link to my server is in the description down below. You can talk to other members in the server, and if you want to trade Bitcoin and altcoins, then don't miss out on the potential bonuses you're about to receive when you sign up on Bybit using my affiliate link. The link is in the description down below. And if you also want to use BitGet, I also have an affiliate link for BitGet right here, and also up to $8,000 in bonus. So if you're gonna sign up to any of these two platforms, don't forget to use my affiliate link so both of us can benefit from the bonuses right here. And if you learned something from this video, like this video, subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribe, it's free and it takes like 1 second of your time, and watch this video that is being displayed on the screen right now.